What is up? Welcome back. You like to do it, build it, or make it.
So do we.
Today we're diving into one of the easiest ways to increase your sales without increasing your workload. That's product bundling.
The ashtray, the power game, and the remote control, that's all I need.
Whether you're selling at a craft show, online, or out of the back of a trunk at a soccer game, bundling your products makes life easier for your customer and more profitable for you. Let's dive in. We'll break it down step by step and show you exactly how we package our products that practically sell themselves.
Do it, build it, make it. If you think that we created, do it, build it, make it. With Kim and Garrett, make it.
But before we jump in, here's a little more about us. We've been doing craft shows full-time for the past 5 years. This is our full-time job. It's not just a fun side hustle. We've been on the road. We've set up booths in the blazing heat, the sideways rain, in a tornado, in the freezing cold. Everything we're going to show you today is based on real-world results. It isn't theory. Everything in this video is straight from our lived experiences. It's not what should work. It's based on what has worked repeatedly in real-world markets. This is the we tried it worked, and we've made money kind of stuff.
And we're not alone. We've had an amazing mentor, Mary, who's been doing craft shows full-time for the last 30 years. She taught us more than we could even list. And now that she's retiring this year, cheers to Mary. We're here to pass on the torch and share what we've learned.
If you've ever struggled with how to get people to actually buy instead of just complimenting your booth, or you're looking to level up your average order, if you've ever said, why isn't anyone buying, or how do I get people to buy more than one thing, then this video is for you. Let's bundle it up and make the sales roll in.
Grab a notebook, or better yet, download our free resources. We've got worksheets, cheat sheets ready for you to use. Let's start with why bundling works. It boosts perceived value by providing a discount to the customer. It simplifies the buying decisions because products are pre-grouped.
It increases customer spending because you're selling more than one item. And it's perfect for gifting because they're tagged and bagged. When you bundle, you're not just selling stuff, you're selling a solution. You're removing the decision-making stress, building confidence. You're basically saying, we've got you.
Building a bundle is like making a smoothie. You could give someone a banana, a handful of berries, and a cup of yogurt. They can totally make it themselves. But if you put it in a blender, you do the blending and put a nice looking straw on it, now it's irresistible.
So for example, think about a backyard bar, a wood sign that says it's 5 o'clock somewhere, a matching welcome map, and some parrot coasters. Suddenly it's not just a sign, it's a vacation starter kit.
We've also had great results with quantity bundling. For example, offering 2 for 10% off or 3 for 20% off. That 3 for deal can take your cart totals from $55 to $130 with the same amount of effort. People love feeling like they're getting a deal, and it boosts your booth average.
So if your booth feels like a compliment magnet instead of a sales magnet, this will be your first step into flipping that script.
What is a bundle? What counts as a bundle? That's what you're thinking, right? Well, typically a bundle is 2 or more items that are sold together, but you can think of them in different ways. Functionally, like a set of coasters and some can koozies or holders, or practical, like an unfinished kit, a matching paint kit, a bow, a DIYer's dream.
Themed bundles, things like holidays, pets, teachers, or a custom bundle. Let customers build their own. Think hat bar, where you're gonna pick your patch, you're gonna pick your hat, and you put it together for them.
A bundle isn't just a bunch of random things that are thrown into a bag. It's curated, it's intentional. Think function, theme, and purpose. It's the difference between buying piles of meats and cheeses or purchasing a charcuterie board. One is random, and one is Instagram ready.
Another good example is a teacher gift bundle. A cute desktop sign, a pack of pencils, and a pencil tumbler. It's an instant win for Teacher Appreciation Week, and you don't have to explain a thing. People just get it.
Take a quick second here. What 3 things do you already sell that you can bundle together and sell them as an irresistible bundle?
So if we continue with our craft show theme, why do bundles win at craft shows? You get a bigger ticket size, less decision fatigue, increases perceived value, easier display will equal faster decisions.
Craft show shoppers are often overwhelmed. It's a sensory overload. They've probably seen 5, 20, 100 booths before they got to your booth. They probably have 5, 10, 100 more booths to see. When you offer clear themed bundles, you simplify their experience. They see it, they get it, they buy it. It's like one of those gift baskets from Bed Bath & Beyond, when Bed Bath & Beyond was a thing.
I know.
But this is handmade and better.
When you lay out $5 ornaments, people glance and just keep walking by. But when you bundle 3 for $15, add a cute Santa bag, a tag, and a bow, boom, you can't keep them in stock. Same product, different presentation. A well-staged bundle acts like a silent salesperson. It draws people in, it tells a story, and it gets them to say yes. We'd love for you to leave a comment down below. What is your best-selling combo product from a recent show? We're all looking for bundles that work, and we love to share what works.
Let's talk about some more real-world bundling examples. These are some of the things that we've seen or some of the things that we've done. We've had a mini signpost with the little mini seasonal signs. Those were one of our best sellers. We've offered an ornament trio. It had the gift bag. It was already tagged, ready to go. These were great for first responders, teachers, or even office themed.
Wedding party gifts, things like champagne glasses, plus a cake topper, plus maybe a guest book. Garden garnishments, things like hand-painted slates with an iron holder.
Or my favorite, the gift box with the laser engraved flask and 2 matching glasses. This one is a premium gift.
All of these bundles come straight from our booth or our friend's booth. They flew off the shelves. If you're stuck on what to bundle, these are ready-made blueprints.
Every bundle is like a mixtape. Carefully curated to create a vibe. You're not just throwing products together, you're telling a story with your favorites.
Which one would you buy? Tell us your favorite down below and show us one of your own. Again, we love being able to share what people are doing. What works for you might work for someone else. Now let's talk about packaging. Packaging equals profit. Add ribbon, twine, and a branded tag. Use gift boxes to make them wrapped and presentable. Add some QR codes so they can find you again later, or for bonus content like how-to instructions or care instructions. And signage is just as important. Add signs that say bundle and save, gift ready. Perfect for teachers. Don't just sell it, present it. People don't want to do the extra work to make something giftable. Do it for them and you will sell more.
People will pay more for something that looks done. Wrap it, tag it, make it look like something they could just hand to their mother-in-law without a single DIY thought. We've used baker's twine and a branded wooden price tag. It adds a little pop, costs about a dime, and it makes the whole bundle just feel more upscale. Great packaging is like gift wrapping. You could hand someone a diamond ring wrapped in a paper towel, but because of the value, it's coming in a velvet box with a big bow on it.
Even better, packaging makes your product more shareable on social media. That is free marketing and a vote of approval. More eyes means more potential sales.
Pick one small packaging detail this week and try it out. Post it on social media, test the responses, tag us. We'll hype you up like your proud crafting cousin. We've talked about why you should be bundling, how to bundle, what is a bundle. Now it's time to start talking about some smart pricing for your bundles. Bundles should offer some type of discount or feel like they're getting some type of discount off of retail, about 10 to 20%. You want clean pricing, nice round numbers. We like to go by fives, like 5, 20, 25. So round up or down, just get close. Don't try to hand out change or calculate tax at the craft show.
That is one of our funniest stories. When we very first started, we were at the farmer's market. I walked away from the booth. I came back and this poor woman had her change purse digging through. Garrett was looking so confused because there were no coins in the money box. And I said, no, we're not doing tax here at the craft shows. We do whole numbers, round numbers to make it easy.
I was calculating the tax. Give me my money. This is also your opportunity to pair some slow-moving inventory with some of your hot sellers. Pair them together, let them average out. And again, signage is very important. We love to put up the buy 3, save 20 or best value.
And like Garrett said, bundling helps you too. You can clear inventory without having a blowout sale, and customers feel like they're scoring a deal. Pricing your bundles helps you move inventory and create urgency. It feels like a sale, but you're in control.
Pricing bundles is like making a combo meal. Customers expect a little discount, but what you're really doing is getting them to add the fries and the drink.
We sell door corners. We bundle them with a door hanger and sell them individually for $15 each. They were selling okay, but then we started to sell them 3 for $40. This was a perception shift. Customers would go for the deal because it wasn't one season. Now they could see this same decor across multiple seasons or a good portion of the year.
And people would say, ooh, that's a good deal, as they started picking out 3 of them. It didn't just boost our sales. It made shoppers feel like they were winning, and it made them more excited to buy.
Your bundle is your makeover montage that your slow-moving stock has been waiting for.
What is gathering dust in your bins right now? What can be part of a new bundle rebirth?
So we've talked a little bit about signage, but let's talk about your full booth setup. If you have items laying out on a flat table like wallets, keychains, coasters, and jewelry here and there, you're going to want to group these things together in your bundle, but add some height to your displays. You want to group the bundles with decorative packaging and add targeted signage that says, bundle and save, teacher gifts. Really point to your items so people think about how they can use this particular bundle when they see it. And as a bonus, take photos. These are great for social media.
A bundled booth is a beautiful booth. It's the difference between a Pinterest-worthy pop-up and a folding table at your cousin's garage sale.
Again, think vertical. Give those products a little stage to shine on. Think grouped, like friends who belong together at brunch.
I know we keep talking about signage, but this is your booth's pickup line.
How you are doing?
You need to make it cute, make it clear, and watch people fall in love faster than you can say gift ready.
A dozen ornament hooks across the front of your booth won't catch your eye. Move those same ornaments to a riser, group them with a tiny Santa sack and a bow, and add a teacher appreciation card along with a display sign that says perfect for teachers, and now they'll move. Presentation is an extra, it's everything. Snap a photo of your next booth setup and try the bundle zone and watch what happens.
Now it's time to try some bundle building yourself. Let's brainstorm some of your bundles. Think to yourself, what do I already sell that I can bundle together? What is the theme or the occasion? And what do I already make that's gift ready? You don't need to reinvent your product line, just group smarter.
You've already got the goods. Now it's about rearranging the pieces like a good charcuterie board.
Group them smart, give them a purpose, and suddenly your regular stuff feels fresh, fun, and gift ready.
A few more gift ideas. If you have a new homeowner, think welcome sign, keychain, and a magnet. Or maybe you have a new baby, a name sign, a monthly photo disc, and a nursery wall.
And graduations happen every year, so you can have a class sign, a tumbler, and a keychain. You know, tease them with a new car. I'm gonna hit you with some quick-fire tips. Use what you already sell. Pre-package bundles before your shows. Add signage like best value, fan favorite, or bundled for savings. And feature your bundles on social media posts. Get out there on the Facebook, the Instagram, and make sure they get in your emails.
Like we said, it's not about doing more. It's about being intentional. You already have what you need. Now just make it shine. Present it in a way that makes people see value. A few thoughtful pairings and a little extra polish can turn everyday products into something special. This doesn't have to be complicated. Don't over-design it. Just package your items into something cohesive.
All right, look, plan your next drop with one bundle, just one. Don't get crazy. Don't try to go bundling the universe. Don't bundle the ocean. And let us know how that one bundle does. Seriously, tag us. We love this stuff.
And don't forget to use our free resources. We have a bundle builder worksheet, a pricing cheat sheet, a packaging checklist. We've put all of today's items into easy to use downloads. Whether you're brainstorming or packing for your next show, these will save you time and money.
We've done all the heavy lifting so that you don't have to. These downloads walk you through everything we covered step by step. You could take screenshots, you could print them, you can laminate them, you can even tape them on the inside of your trailer.
Now go download them now. Tag us at kngmakeit.com when you use them. We love seeing your setups.
Look, here's the big takeaway, and I tell my kids this all the time. Luck is when preparation meets opportunity. Bundling isn't just about selling more, it's about making things easier for your customer and more efficient for you and more fun to shop.
It is. Bundling does simplify everything. Less decision stress for your customers, less clutter, cleaner booths for you, bigger cart totals, and less chaos. You're not just selling products, you're creating a solution that people feel great about gifting.
Bundling is like the secret sauce. It turns your product line from menu items into a meal that people crave, and they'll keep coming back for seconds. And remember what we said earlier, this isn't theory, this is real talk from crafters who spent the last 5 years loading trailers, setting up tents, and chasing down bags in the wind.
Everything we shared today is exactly what we do and what our mentor Mary taught us over her 30-year full-time craft show career. And now that she's retiring and doing that cruise life, we're proud to carry on what she started, helping makers like you grow thriving creative businesses.
So from one booth to another, bundle it, sell it, repeat. Was that corny?
Yeah.
I will leave it in. Today we're diving into one of the easiest ways to increase your sales. I'm out of breath. Whether you're selling your products online, at a craft show, or out of the back of... why am I yelling? I'm doing a Kim.